Welcome to Astropathshala, where education comes with a great responsibility. As a leader, your goal is to provide dynamic learning, creating an environment where students explore futuristic technologies while mastering science and math concepts. If you aim to transform your school into a center for nation building and nurture the nation's future, you are in the right place. Astropathshala is a new age space education STEM learning program based on NEP 2020, proudly presented by Astroverse. Our focus at Astropathshala is on hands-on learning experiences, enabling students to learn by doing, fostering a scientific temperament and developing an analytical approach to solving both scientific and real-life problems. We aim to prepare our students for a bright future, contributing to the creation of a great and developed nation. Our innovative curriculum covers astronomy, space technologies, robotics, and artificial intelligence, empowering students with a theoretical knowledge and hands-on projects like designing satellites, rovers, rockets, and telescopes. A major highlight is our collaboration with NASA and ISRO, allowing young astronomers to participate in real-time space exploring programs, igniting their passion. Astropathshala offers more than a program. It's a comprehensive STEM solution, opening doors to national-level competition like inter-school hydro-rocketry competition, space science Olympiads, and national-level space science exhibitions, enhancing the academic experiences and fostering interaction with peers and space experts. But the excitement doesn't end here. Astropathshala goes beyond classrooms, offering schools at Astro Picnic, at our Astrostop observatories. Imagine students spending an unforgettable night stargazing under the sky full of twinkling stars, observing planets, the moon, and deep sky objects through a very high-end telescopes, complemented by thrilling self-gaming sessions, making it both education and entertaining too. Astropathshala propels students into a world of endless possibilities. Over 15,000 students have embraced this cosmic journey with us. Now the time aligned for you. So just align with us for a futuristic STEM learning experience. Welcome to the Astropathshala, where we ignite curiosity and passion for science in the next generation's minds. Welcome to the future of education.